Look, let's cut through the noise for a second. Building muscle after 40 isn't about slowing down or babying yourself. It's about training smarter than you ever did in your 20s. The truth is simple. Your body hasn't lost the ability to grow stronger. You've just been giving it the wrong signals. Most guys your age are stuck with programs full of fluff exercises, random workouts they saw online, and machines that look impressive but do almost nothing for real strength. What actually works is a focused system, a handful of brutally effective movements that have stood the test of time because they train your body the way it was designed to move. And that's where these 6 exercises come in. They don't just build muscle, they build balance, joint integrity, metabolic health, and the type of strength that carries over to every single part of your life. The best part? The older you get, the more these movements pay off because your technique, discipline, and body awareness are miles better than they were years ago. Let's break them down one by one, starting with the most fundamental movement pattern you've had since toddlerhood. Squats. There's nothing fancy about a squat, and that's exactly why it's so powerful. You've been doing this movement since the first time you sat down and stood up, and it remains one of the most important ways to build strength after 40. Squats hit nearly every muscle in your lower body, but what makes them especially valuable is the hormonal response they trigger. Big movements that challenge big muscles naturally drive up testosterone and growth hormone, which is crucial as you age. Start with a goblet squat so you can master proper depth and form without forcing your lower back to compensate. Sit back, chest tall, elbows inside your knees. When this becomes comfortable, move to barbell back squats and progressively add weight. Slow, steady, measurable increases. That's how real strength builds. Bulgarian split squats. If squats are the foundation, Bulgarian split squats are the upgrade that exposes every weakness you didn't know you had. They force each leg to carry its own load, eliminating the imbalances that sneak up on you over decades of sitting, driving, and favoring your stronger side. This movement builds your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and stabilizers all at once. Set up with your back foot elevated, stand tall, and imagine dropping straight down instead of lunging forward. Keep the front shin vertical, back knee low, and your torso steady. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg will humble even experienced lifters. Start with your weaker side, match the reps on your stronger one, and watch your balance and knee stability transform. Calf raises. Calves get ignored until you realize they're the reason your ankles feel unstable, your lower legs fatigue quickly, or your stride feels weak. After 40, ankle strength becomes a huge factor in preventing injuries, maintaining mobility, and keeping your athleticism alive. Your calves are endurance muscles. They work all day, so they need higher reps and full-range tension to grow. Hit seated calf raises for the soleus, then standing variation for the gastrocnemius. Use slow, controlled reps, stretch at the bottom, and pause at the top. Finish with a high-rep burnout set to force blood into the muscle and build real capacity. Strong calves aren't just aesthetic, they anchor everything from your walking to your jumping to long-term joint health. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are the great separator. They reveal who actually has functional, real-world strength, not mere strength or machine strength. Pull-ups train the lats, biceps, rear delts, core, and grip all at once. And grip strength, especially as you get older, is directly tied to overall vitality and longevity. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, no problem. Use a resistance band or assisted machine. Focus on pulling your elbows down, not your chin up. Control the descent. Once you hit consistent reps, remove assistance a little at a time until you're lifting your full body weight. Then add weight. That's when your back truly begins to change. Push-ups. People think push-ups are too basic until they try doing them correctly. A real push-up requires core stability, shoulder control, and total body tension. And unlike the bench press, push-ups let your shoulder blades move the way they're supposed to, which protects your joints as you age. Start wherever your current strength allows, on your knees or toes, but keep your body in a straight line with your elbows at about 45 degrees. Aim our clean reps, chest close to the floor, full extension at the top. When standard push-ups get too easy, elevate your feet, try diamond variations, or add resistance. Push-ups scale infinitely, and they keep your upper body functional in the real world. Mountain climbers. This is where strength meets conditioning. Mountain climbers train your heart, lungs, core, mobility, and explosiveness without the pounding and joint stress of running. They mimic the intensity of sprinting while forcing your core to stabilize through every fast-paced knee drive. Set up in a strong plank position and drive your knees like you're accelerating forward. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and build up. When done correctly, controlled hips, tight core, fast legs, mountain climbers develop the kind of stamina you feel in everything from hiking to sports to other activities you don't want to be winded during. Put these 6 movements together consistently, track your progress like it's data, and watch how fast your strength, body composition, and energy shift. You're not past your prime, you're just entering the phase where smart training finally beats youth and randomness.